running down the road, water running down the sidewalk. Here's one product that could help out with all of this. This floor drain valve came in this package. This particular one is a Moen product. It's called in English a floor drain check. What they left out is valve. Floor drain check valve would be more correct. Other companies call them backflow valves. They're for floor drains. And a floor drain in your utility room won't get dirty from what you flush down your toilet. So it won't tend to get jammed. The way this one works is it goes in that way in the drain. Bit of a spring. Now, you can see that ball underneath. Well, it's a ball that's hollow, like a cup inside a toilet bowl that shuts off the flow. So when there's water pressure from above, you have this opening here. So if a pipe bursts inside your house, then the purpose of the floor drain is to let the water from your burst pipe go down through here. On the other hand, if there's pressure from below, when the sewers are backing up, that will push this ball up against its seat, and no more water comes up from the floor drain into your basement. Water in a bucket. Yeah, that did go down.